friends, welcome to EduKool. Friends, from today onwards, we are starting a new vocabulary series on our channel. In this, we are daily going to upload a new video with 3 English words and we will discuss their meaning, part of speech, and we will also learn how to use them in a sentence. So, without further ado, let's get started. So friends, our first word is Gaily. Gaily, Gaily. Friends, the word gaily is used as an adverb. The word gaily has 2 meanings. So let us see its first meaning. So it means in a cheerful or light-hearted way. So friends, when you are happy about something, you are cheerful about something and you are feeling light-hearted, in that case you can use the word gaily to describe your feeling. Let us understand this with the help of a sentence. Seema was singing gaily in her bedroom. Let us see one more example. Deepak and his friends sat around the table, gaily teasing each other and remembering their old school days. Friends, you can also use the word gaily to describe something which is having a bright and attractive appearance. For example, the performers were gaily dressed. Harry put on a gaily colored shirt. Now, let us move to our next word. The word is cranky. C-R-A-N-K-Y, cranky. Friends, cranky is one of those words that sounds a little bit like what it means. It is an adjective and is used to describe those persons who easily get annoyed, they are bad-tempered, or they get easily irritated with something. So, when a person is irritated about something and is showing a bad temper behavior, in that case you can say that the person is showing a cranky behavior. Now, let us see how to use the word cranky in sentences. My sister gets cranky when she doesn't eat. The children were cranky after the 8 hours long journey. So now let us move to the last word of this video. Hinder. H-I-N-D-E-R. Hinder. Friends, hinder is a verb and it means to limit the ability of someone to do something or to limit the development of something. So friends, when because of something your work has been put on hold or your progress has been slowed down, so in that case, in order to describe it, you can use the word hinder. Let us see how to use the word hinder in a sentence. A poor diet can hinder mental and physical growth. Our journey was hindered by snow and high winds. Okay friends, that's all for today. Now we are going to meet tomorrow in the next video of this series. Till then, bye bye.